This is Matt Tremont. Welcome to Bulldozer's Collectables. Bulldozer's Collectables, located inside the Berlin Farmers Market, inside of Mike's Custom Airbrush in Berlin, New Jersey, entrance B10. We offer a variety of pro wrestling merchandise such as WWE Funko Pops, WWE action figures, Mattel, old and new, legends and classics, new figures, WWE's battle packs, elites, and legends, wrestling DVDs and Blu-rays, WWE and CZW and On Point Wrestling, wrestling t-shirts, NFL, NBA, and MLB jerseys. Hours of operation: Thursday 10 to 5:30, Friday and Saturday 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., Sunday 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So come on down, bring the kids, bring the family, and come check out Bulldozer's Collectables inside the Berlin Farmers Market in Berlin, New Jersey.